Counting is used in our everyday lives, and as an elementary teacher, teaching a student to learn how to count at a young age is very important. When you start school, you learn the basic way to count, but as you get into second grade, children start learning more advanced ways of counting. During this assignment, I plan on helping make more efficient ways for students to learn that is easier for them but also fun. The first way is to skip count. Skip counting is counting by twos, fives, tens, and so on. This will allow children to count faster and then will lead them to be able to count other things in life, such as money. Next, children will learn evens versus odds. Knowing how to count by twos helps with this because learning the difference between evens and odds are mastered through skip counting. Also, the difference between the two will help children be able to gain the basic foundations for multiplication. Finally, children will be able to start learning how to add and subtract. Without counting, there would not be an order in the world. Along with that, if children do not learn how to add or subtract, they will not be able to advance in math later in life. As an elementary teacher, it is my goal to teach children the skills they need. Thank you for listening, and I am excited to teach more about the importance of counting as the year goes on.